Welcome to Digital Literacy Unit. In this video we will be learning how to use the Auto Sum button, which is just located right here. That tab now that is highlighted. And if we go down to my pre-prepared sheet, you'll see I have just made a list of some sales in Sydney, Canberra, Wollongong, Western Australia, Northern Territory, South Australia, and with a total sum. This total sum is the effect of this application here called AutoSum. What we will do now quickly is just to show you how I got to this. I will delete this area and also this area, and we'll start afresh and we'll learn how to use the AutoSum button. Also, what I might do is at the meantime is make it a little bit more interesting and add another column as well, just to make it more understandable what AutoSum does. Okay, so as we can see, Sydney, Canberra, Wollongong fit under New South Wales, and we also have Western Australia, Northern Territory, South Australia. So if we add New South Wales here, for example, and we add total here, we now have a new column which is called New South Wales, which means Sydney, Canberra and Wollongong as well. So if I was to select the next tab over, B8, and click AutoSum, automatically it highlights all the sums to give me a total. But for New South Wales, we'll be only needing Sydney, Canberra and Wollongong. So we can adjust this quickly. If we go to the bottom right hand corner of this highlighted area, and you'll see that the icon changes, and we lift so that we only highlight Sydney and Canberra and Wollongong. And if we accept this, we press enter, it will give us a total sum of Sydney, Canberra, Wollongong. At the same time, we can also get the total of all of the above. But keep in mind that you want to avoid New South Wales because it already has a total. So if I was to click AutoSum again, this time I'll be needing to select the other cells, excluding New South Wales. If I can get that. There we go. Press enter. We get a total sum of all the above excluding New South Wales. So as you can see, we have two total sums. One is for New South Wales because we have 3 areas within New South Wales, and one is for New South Wales, Western Australia, Northern Territory, South Australia. As you can see, there is a red triangle here. This is trying to tell us that something's not right. So if we click on it, this exclamation comes up, and if we highlight it, it says the formula in this cell refers to a range that has additional numbers adjacent to it. So if we go to the triangle pointing down and we click on that, it is basically trying to tell us that you've missed some areas that might need to be calculated, but in this regards it is not true. So what we can do is, if it was true, update the formula to include all cells, or ignore, which will be ignore for this instance. And as you can see, that triangle has now disappeared. And we also have two sums, so the sum of New South Wales, which is these 3 here, Canberra, Sydney, Canberra, Wollongong, and also the total sum of all areas, which is Sydney, Canberra, Wollongong, Western Australia, Northern Territory, South Australia. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching.